Puerto Martin. Why aren't we doing tours over here? Tornadoes. How is this possible? You hear that? That's birds. It's so loud. Hey guys.
Layers, it's like the low.
This is amazing. Oh, this is wild. Tornadoes. Most of them are young too. You see all that white? What? You think there's too many of the adult males? There's a few, but there's not as many.
Oh, the first two.
But considering how many,
I win.
We're getting brave. We're walking under.
Just want to feel it, like the wind tunnel.
Yeah. The force is crazy. Oh, that'll be a pretty photo right there.
Oh, strike two, man. And you got none. Look, right on. The frost is back on it.
Yeah. So I had one get my camera last year.
You walk under the tree, you got no poopy stand next to it. It's snowy over here. This is downwind.
Oh, there's so many birds. Look at the branches are like bending with a lot of birds. Oh my God, what's behind you?
It almost looks like they're part of the tree now, like there's something that eats or something.
That's insane.
It is insane. You can't even see where any of the leaves